we finished one new machine today. This new machine, we have 6 spindles here, and we also have the tables. Meanwhile, this machine also has the rotary, 6 rotary in the back side. Okay, now let me introduce how we make this machine. For this machine, you can see, because 6 spindles is very heavy, so we use the big plate here, big plate, just like the flies, okay, to make the spindles very stable working. Meanwhile, we also use the aluminum profile here, so the spindles can adjust its distance. That is to say, you can make any size plate here, and you can also adjust its distance. You can also make the 6 spindles work together, or you can just make any spindles working. So for the table, that is to say, you work with the plate. For example, you work with the plate. Then we put the plate here. Then the spindles work the plate with the table. But if you don't want to work the plate, if you want to work with rotary, we also can use our rotary. Making. Here is a clamps to fix it stable. So you can see it can move. It can move to any size, and any distance. If you work with rotary, then move here. Then install the rotary to here. Then make it working. If you don't work with rotary, then back, make it back, and fix it. Then it's finished. Very convenient for 2 different materials working.